Ever tossed your keys on the counter and wondered if your car has what it takes to go the distance? I'm talking about the real marathon runners of the automotive world. The vehicles that don't just last for years, but for decades and 500,000 miles. Most cars are retired by 200,000 miles, but a rare few join an elite group. The 500,000 Mile Club. This isn't about luck. It's about engineering excellence, simple designs, and a specific set of characteristics that transform a regular car into a legend. Today, we're counting down the 7 production cars that have consistently proven they can cross that incredible 500,000-mile finish line. And our number 3 pick is so surprisingly common, it routinely leaves seasoned mechanics scratching their heads in disbelief. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only know which cars to look for, but also the secrets to helping your own car achieve a legendary lifespan. First, let's break down what actually gets a car into this exclusive club. The qualifications are strict. We're not looking for one-off miracles, a single car that someone poured their life savings into. We're looking for models where hitting 500,000 miles is a documented, repeated pattern. It means proven reliability, affordable maintenance, and a design that doesn't complicate itself into an early grave. These are the traits we've hunted for. Now, let's get into our first 2 automotive iron horses. Kicking off our list at number 7 is a testament to American brute strength. The Ford F-250 Super Duty with the 7.3L Power Stroke diesel. Produced from 1994 to 2003, this truck is famously referred to as the million-mile motor for a reason. Its international-sourced engine was built massively over-engineered, with a simple, reliable injector design and no complex emission systems to choke it out. While the rest of the truck might need some TLC over the decades, the heart of this beast just keeps on pounding. It's not refined, it's not quiet, but it is arguably one of the most reliable diesel engines ever put in a pickup. And right beside it at number 6 is the king of unkillable SUVs, the Toyota 4Runner. Specifically, generations like the legendary 3rd Gen, 1996-2002. This is where Japanese reliability meets go-anywhere capability. The 4Runner is blessed with Toyota's legendary 3.4L V6 engine, a motor known for its flawless timing belt system and utter lack of major flaws. It's mounted to a body-on-frame chassis that shrugs off rust and a suspension designed to handle brutal off-road punishment. You don't just drive a high-mileage 4Runner, you inherit a legacy of global adventure. They are simple, easy to work on, and have a cult-like following for a very good reason. These 2 set a high bar, raw power and rugged adventure. But our next 2 entries couldn't be more different from each other, and that's what makes them so fascinating. Now, for our odd couple. At number 5, we have a car that redefined luxury reliability, the Lexus LS 400. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Toyota's engineers spent over 6 years and $1 billion to create a luxury sedan that could humiliate the German competition, not with flash, but with flawless operation. Its 4.0L V8 is a masterpiece of silken power, often reaching 500,000 miles with little more than routine oil changes. The stories are legendary, owners reporting only having to replace the cassette player and a single light bulb by 300,000 miles. It's over-engineered perfection, proving luxury doesn't have to mean fragile. And in a plot twist nobody saw coming, sharing the spotlight at number 4 is the often misunderstood hero of efficiency, the 2nd-generation Toyota Prius. Yes, the Prius. While people worried about battery life, these cars have been silently racking up astronomical mileage as taxis and fleet vehicles all over the world. The genius is in its simplicity. The hybrid system drastically reduces wear and tear on the gasoline engine and brakes. There are fewer moving parts to fail, and the Atkinson cycle engine runs at low, efficient stress levels. Reaching 500,000 miles often only requires the standard maintenance and maybe 1 battery replacement, a cost easily offset by a lifetime of saved fuel, a silent luxury barge, and an eco-friendly hatchback. This list is full of surprises, but nothing prepares you for our top 3. We've arrived at the podium positions, the absolute legends of longevity. And this is where we find our number 3, the car that makes mechanics do a double take. It's not a luxury liner or a rugged truck. It's the humble, ubiquitous, and astonishingly durable Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, or any of its Panther platform siblings, the Mercury Grand Marquis and Lincoln Town Car. You heard that right. This body-on-frame rear-wheel drive sedan is a testament to the power of simple, proven technology. Used by police departments and taxi fleets across North America, these cars are subjected to a lifetime of idling, hard acceleration, and harsh stops. Yet, their 4.6L V8 engines are famously robust, and their live axle rear ends are practically bulletproof. They are cheap to fix, easy to work on, and built like a bank vault. Mechanics can't believe how many times they see these, with odometers reading well over 500,000, still running strong with minimal low-cost repairs. It's the everyman's champion. Now, for a legend that needs no introduction at number 2, the Toyota Land Cruiser. The J80 and J100 generations are icons. This is the Forerunner's bigger, more indestructible, and more luxurious brother. Every component is engineered to a 25-year service life. It's engineered for remote, brutal environments where a breakdown could be fatal. The result is a vehicle that doesn't just last, it dominates time. But there's one vehicle that stands alone, the undisputed king of high mileage. And here it is, the undisputed king of the American highway, the vehicle that holds the record for the most documented million-mile examples. The GM truck with the Gen 3 Ford Vortec V8. We're talking about the Chevrolet Silverado, Sierra, and Suburban Tahoe with the 4.8L or 5.3L V8, produced from roughly 1999 to 2013. This is the pinnacle of simple, efficient, and massively overbuilt American V8 engineering. The LS-based engine is a marvel. Its lightweight design and active fuel management, while sometimes a minor headache, are outweighed by its fundamental robustness. The cast iron block, aluminum heads, and straightforward design make it incredibly durable and surprisingly easy to repair. These trucks are everywhere, and their ability to routinely surpass 500,000 miles with standard maintenance and minor repairs is simply unmatched. They are the workhorse of a continent and the deserved number one. But a great car is only half the story. Your maintenance is the other 50%. Here's your blueprint for a million-mile car, regardless of what you drive. Obsessive fluid changes. Oil changes are religion. Do them with full synthetic oil and OEM filters before the manufacturer's interval, not after. Your transmission and coolant flushes are just as sacred. Listen and act. That tiny squeak, that faint vibration, address it immediately. Small, cheap fixes prevent catastrophic, expensive failures. Genuine parts matter, especially for sensors and critical components. Cheap parts fail faster and can cost you more in the long run. The undercarriage is key. Fight rust relentlessly. A clean frame will outlast a rusty one no matter how good the engine is. If you found this guide to the most durable cars on the road helpful, imagine what we can help you find next. Smash that like button. It truly helps the channel. Which of these legends do you own? Tell us your mileage in the comments below. But most importantly, subscribe and hit the notification bell. We help you make smarter automotive decisions every week, whether you're looking for a car that will last a decade or a project that will become a legend. We have a lot more incredible content coming your way. Thanks for watching. Drive smart.